today's video, we want to look at how to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression. That is the formula. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do, because I've already looked at the introductory part of series and sequences. So kindly subscribe, and then you get access to all my videos. Thank you. Let us use this set to generate the general formula for an AP. So the first thing that you need to know is the first term. Let A be equal to the first term, and the first term in this set is 1. So that is A is equal to 1, and the D be equal to the common difference. So our D is equal to, the common difference is simply 3 minus 1, or 5 minus 3, or 7 minus 5. So if you do that, that's going to be 2. So our first term is 1, and our common difference is 2. Now let us use this basic concept to generate our general formula for the AP. All right. So we normally use U to represent the individual terms. So this is U1, U2, U3, U4, which means that this is our first term, second term, third term, fourth term, in that order. So our U1 is equal to A, and we already know that our A is equal to 1. That's our first term. Our U2 is equal to A plus our common difference. Now, what this simply means is that if you have our first term to be 1, and we want to find our second term, which is 3, what we are going to do is that we are going to add our common difference, which is our 2, to our first term, which is 1, for us to get 3. What I'm simply saying is that this A is our first term, plus our common difference is 2. So this will finally result as 3. Now 3 is our second term, so this is true. Our U2 is 3 based on this example. All right, so let's move on to our U3. U3 is equal to A plus 2D. Now this is the same. Our first term is 1 plus 2 multiplied by our common difference is 2. Now this is going to be 1 plus 2 by 2 is 4, which will result in 5 as the answer. So what that simply means is that our 5 is our third term, and it is true. U3 is 5. All right. Now let's look at U4. U4 is equal to A plus 3D. Our first term here is 1 plus 3 multiplied by our common difference 2. So this is going to be 1 plus 3 times 2 is 6, and this is going to be 7. And it is true that our fourth term is actually 7. So these are the formulas from U1 up to U4. But ask yourself, what if we want to find the 20th term, that is U20, or the 50th term, that is U50? Are we going to write the digits in that order? No, we should just get a formula. So we are going to represent, let's say, our U20, our U50, or our U40 by n. So this will become UN. Now, if I have un, observe this carefully. You realize that anytime at all you have u1, it is only a. If you have u2, it is a plus d. The d is only 1. If you have u3, it is a plus 2d, which means that we have 2 of the d's. If you have u4, it is a plus 3d, of which we have 3 of the d's. So there is a pattern. If you have 4 here, we have 3. If we have 3 here, we have 2 here. If we have 2 here, we have only 1. If we have 1, we have none. So it means that if you have un, this will become a plus, this n will reduce by 1, and this will become n minus 1 multiplied by our d. So finally, what we are simply saying is that the formula for the nth term of an AP is simply un is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d as the final answer. I hope this helps.